How to add Gmail without syncing contacts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add Gmail without syncing your contacts. Let's just jump right in. Open up your settings menu. Once your settings open up, you can go over down below and find the option on the Google Services option and go to All Services. From here, you can go to personalize using shared data and make sure you toggle off device contacts right here. This is after you add your account, so go ahead and tap on the account section. Then go ahead and tap on add another account. Once you provide your PIN or fingerprint, it's gonna ask you to add another account. So just enter your new email address that you want to add. Once you've logged in, all you have to do is go to the same settings, personalize using shared data, make sure you turn off the device contacts. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.